can be a game changer in both your personal and professional life. Whether you're speaking in front of a small group or a large audience, here are some essential tips to help beginners feel more confident and deliver impactful presentations. 1. Know your audience. Understanding who you're speaking to is crucial. Tailor your message to their interests, needs, and level of understanding. This not only helps in engaging them but also ensures that your message resonates. Ask yourself, who are they? What do they care about? What do they expect from your talk? 2. Practice, practice, practice. Rehearse your speech multiple times before the actual event. Practice helps you become more familiar with your material, reduces anxiety, and increases your confidence. You can practice in front of a mirror, record yourself, or even present to a friend or family member for feedback. The more you practice, the more natural your delivery will become. 3. Start with a strong opening. First impressions matter, so start with something that grabs attention. This could be a surprising fact, a relevant quote, or a personal story that connects to your topic. A strong opening sets the tone and captures the audience's interest right from the start. 4. Structure your speech. Organize your speech with a clear beginning, middle, and end. A well-structured speech makes it easier for your audience to follow along and understand your key points. Start with an introduction that outlines what you'll cover, move into the body where you elaborate on your main ideas, and end with a strong conclusion that reinforces your message. 5. Use visual aids wisely. Visual aids like slides, charts, or videos can enhance your presentation, but they should support your message, not overshadow it. Keep slides simple, with minimal text, and use images or graphs to illustrate your points. Remember, the focus should be on you, the speaker, not the visuals. 6. Control your nerves. It's normal to feel nervous before speaking, but there are techniques to manage this anxiety. Deep breathing, visualization, and positive self-talk can help calm your nerves. Also, remember that the audience is there to listen to you, not judge you, so focus on delivering your message rather than worrying about being perfect. 7. Engage with your audience. Interaction keeps your audience interested and makes your presentation more dynamic. Ask questions, encourage participation, or use humor where appropriate. Engaging with your audience creates a connection and makes your speech more memorable. 8. Focus on body language. Your body language can significantly impact how your message is received. Maintain good posture, make eye contact, and use hand gestures to emphasize key points. Avoid crossing your arms, slouching, or other nervous habits that can distract from your message. 9. Be authentic. Authenticity goes a long way in public speaking. Be yourself and let your personality shine through. Audiences appreciate speakers who are genuine and relatable, so don't be afraid to show a bit of vulnerability or share personal experiences. 10. End with a strong conclusion. Your conclusion is your final opportunity to leave a lasting impression. Summarize your main points, reinforce your key message, and end with a call to action or something that inspires your audience. A strong conclusion ties everything together and gives your audience something to remember. Public speaking is a skill that improves with practice, so don't be discouraged by initial challenges. The more you speak, the more confident and effective you'll become. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest content.